Click-through rates, also known as CTRs, can track the visibility and engagement of your YouTube videos. Let's dive in for 9 helpful tips on raising your CTR. First, what is a click-through rate? A CTR tells you how many people clicked on your video compared to the number of impressions it received. How is click-through rate calculated on YouTube? CTR is calculated by dividing the number of clicks by the total impressions and multiplying by 100. Let's jump in. Number 1. Conduct a performance analysis. Examine your CTR, viewer retention, and engagement by viewing your channel and video analytics. Number 2. Optimize your video title and description. Take time to research popular keywords related to your video's topic and incorporate them into your video's title, description, and tags. Number 3. Include a call to action, have a direct CTA. A quality CTA should be in both your video and the description. Number 4. Maintain brief, compelling, and emotional videos. Content is king. Make sure your videos are engaging and relevant. Number 5. Market your video. Share your video on social media, via email, and on landing pages. Number 6. Utilize compelling thumbnails. Use bold words, a spokesperson's face, and emotive graphics to make your thumbnail captivating. Number 7. Join your audience in conversations. Connect to your audience by liking and replying in the comments section. Number 8. Include YouTube cards. Engage viewers with links, merchandise, and other websites directly within your video. Number 9. Be consistent with your YouTube posting. Post weekly videos at around the same time. Viewers like knowing when to tune in. Try these tips out and don't forget to track your analytics to see any increases in views, likes, and subscribers. We'd love to help you develop the perfect video project for your brand and a video SEO strategy that works for you. Learn more by visiting bottlerocketmedia.net and hit the subscribe button for more.